To the audience. Big money,
Big money.
Oh, she missed her big money. See, if you didn't take away her button, she would be pressing it all day.
Yeah, Cannoli really wants big money, everybody. She really wants it.
Like and subscribe. Yes, yes. Popcorn. She remembers that she misses it so much. Well, now I can make you popcorn and then brush your teeth.
Yeah, Cannoli, we're going to brush your teeth later. Oh, yeah, Cannoli hasn't had popcorn in a while because we haven't been gambling.
Yeah, and we took away her big money button so she can't press it, but she misses so much. Well, we're going to make a live stream about her. She deserves it.
Yeah, she does.
We're going to make a live stream about her. She deserves it.
Excuse me.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I can't hide. I keep thinking if I turn my head, it'll work.
You need to cover your mic thoroughly. That works better.
Well, we got to keep track of how much time we want to cut off. You know what I'm saying?
Why are you muting me?
Well, no. I mean, I don't want it to get caught. I'm not muting you. Do you have your phone? Ooh, yeah, we're just waiting for some folks to load in. And I want to get this ChatGPT going here. I'm excited about it personally. There's the OBS. That's how we do the live stream right here. We've got excellent connection today. Trying to find the commentary. Oh, I can insert an ad. That's funny. Oh, there it is. That's interesting. So see that? I inserted an ad. And now there's a TikTok ad playing.
Interesting. You just did it in front of everybody?
Well, I mean, nobody's here yet. But if you're here, thanks for watching the ad.
Yeah, we got 5 people watching.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, no.
And you just like stick an ad right in front of their face.
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry about that, everybody. Well, in honor of the 5 people watching, we've got ourselves a little live stream of ChatGPT5. It was released just this week, a couple days ago.
See, now you just lost the people.
I know. Well, that's because they're watching the ads. Thank you for watching the ads. All right, but don't worry. Once we get here, there's not going to be any more ads. In fact, you can just skip it if you want to. Hey, Dan. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, we want to do a quick rundown here of this new ChatGPT5. We've been enjoying it. Look at the nice new layout. I bet you've been enjoying the colors.
Oh, very much.
And supposedly there's a way that we're going to be able to customize it. I haven't figured that out yet. I don't know if it's rolled out yet to everybody.
Oh, we can customize the color?
There's a lot of things you can customize. They promise that, but it hasn't happened yet. Okay, so I know Dan here, just like us, is an avid Gemini user. But we, like both of us, Michelle and I, have started to get a lot more interested in ChatGPT as well. Just because it's honestly for more fun things, really.
Yeah, creative things.
Creative things and just having fun.
Yeah, if I have like a mole and I want professional advice, actually that's not true. So when I have a mole, I'm going to have to get to ChatGPT because Gemini refused to give me an answer.
Yeah, that's another thing is a lot of times Gemini, it's a little bit more, plays on the safe side. It doesn't want to reveal too much information. So if there's something that Gemini is saying, no, I can't tell you, then you can go run over to ChatGPT and it'll often tell you
I
just
can't
fine.
even jailbreak Gemini to get me a medical answer.
Exactly. ChatGPT is a little bit more open with its jailbreaking. So a really cool feature. So here we go. Ask anything, right? That's what they're saying. But to get to all the important stuff, you got to press on this plus button here. And then boom, look, you can add photos and files. But more importantly, you can go and explore the different modes. Now we have the Pro version, which is something that has to be paid monthly on. So there's going to be a few more features available. But what they did, they have rolled out ChatGPT5 for everybody, even the free version.
The flagship version.
Yeah, exactly. But all of them should have, a lot of them should have options for deep research, and then creating an image. That has been one of the most fun things. What's unique to some of the paid versions are these think longer functions, and so that's what so sometimes it spits out an answer in 20 seconds. Well, you might want it to think a little bit longer, right? So you can click on that. One thing I've really been liking playing with are these connected apps. And this is like, if you're brave enough, you can actually straight up connect your stuff.
Yeah, but do remember, a court can always subpoena records from ChatGPT.
Yeah, so like I said, you have to be brave. But what's really cool is that it can access things like Canva, your Dropbox, your Google Drive, so you can sift through and ask questions using those resources.
Yeah, just don't put anything incriminating in your Dropbox.
Yeah, exactly. And of course, we talked about agent mode a couple of weeks ago, and that's still there. So that's cool. All right, so shall we come up with, we always like creating images here. And what's really nice is that they give you samples. So look at this, like we can just use it. So create an image of an astronaut with an inflatable duck on Mars. We can just click on that. All right, so now that's going to be doing that. We'll come back and check.
So are they going to take into consideration of the fact that you're a neuroscientist?
Well, yes, they might. That's what's interesting is that each one of these can kind of be customized towards your personal experience over time. So, if you keep your history on, then things are going to change based on what you have given it in the past.
So it seems like you're using the flagship model right now, right?
Yes, right now I'm just using the flagship model. So that we can determine that up here. So this is what should be available to everybody. And then whereas the Pro has thinking and Pro mode, but the flagship model is available. And see, what's nice is down here, I think I've enabled us to see it. We can actually change the styles. Look at that. So it's like you can choose what type of style you want the image to be made. Cyberpunk, dramatic headshot, all these different things.
I like these styles.
Yeah.
This is so much better than like Adobe. Adobe just has like one style. I don't know, like I'm disappointed in Adobe. I think they're suffering quite a bit.
Yeah. Hey, CB. JBC. Oh, and nice. Dan is here as well. Yes. Okay. So, all right. So in the and I like the fact that they don't just say it in words. They actually give like a visual representation of what it could look like with the different styles.
Yeah, I think I would prefer anime, but let's see what they say.
Yeah,
first.
we'll see what they do. Okay, so in the meantime, while that's doing it, we can think, what's really cool is what they displayed is that it has the ability to make games and actually make a game for you. So what you can, and that for language, so make a game for me to learn French. And so
you're still using flagship?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to use flagship all the time for everybody.
Okay.
Okay, good. Yeah, see, I didn't have the option to do this before, but now I do. So this is really exciting. This is like a game changer for vibe coding. So I know nothing about coding. I know nothing about Python, anything like that.
Yeah, this is Python.
Yeah. So, but now I literally just said, make a game for me to learn French. It puts the code. Now I can just go to the top right and press run code. And so then now it's going to actually do it.
This actually looks like a coding console, like everything about it.
Exactly.
That's so cool.
Except
you have the prompt box on the left, and you can actually just write English.
Yes, that's the beautiful thing is that you can edit it, and so now it's going now. All right, it's got an error, and it's
Well, then it should be able to do it itself, right? Fix it.
It's fixed. I mean, yeah, that's what. Oh, let's see. All right, maybe I can say like fix the error in the code, so I can play the game. And that's so like having no understanding of how to actually go in there and fix it myself. I can try writing it on the left side here.
Bienvenue.
Yeah, yes. See, it's already starting to think about some French. Okay, so there it is thinking. Okay, now let's check out. Let's go back and check on our astronaut.
I guess they're really thinking hard.
Yeah, that they're thinking hard on how to make an astronaut. Yes, the coding is this is this is really new.
Yeah, like Sam Altman really tout about this.
Yeah, and I was very sad because when I first gained access, I could not.
Oh, it's fixing it.
Yeah, all right, it's working. Okay, they fixed it so it won't crash. All right, so let's try running it again. Great.
You know, the point is maybe you could like copy and paste in the actual coding console and test that.
Yeah, you can. I think now when they actually displayed it themselves, it will actually do it for you. But I've never been able to get it to work yet either. So let's try it in another window.
I think you should try the Pro.
Okay, all right, let's try Pro now. So we tried the flagship. Now we're going to say, all right, make me a game to learn Italian.
Yes.
I just don't know if Pro is it's going to sit there and think and it's going to tell me how to do it. I don't think it's actually going to do it for me. So that's why I like the flagship. So I'm going to do it again with the flagship. All right, anyway, you got any stories to tell?
Oh, yes. So, social media is talking about GPT-5, and I don't know if it's because the algorithm or like there's the bad people I'm following. Everyone's poo-pooing. Oh my God. What's your prompt again?
This was the create a photorealistic image of an astronaut wearing a duck inflatable.
That is interesting because I was expecting a duck wearing an astronaut. But I guess they got it right.
Yeah.
Look at the face. Is that an alien or a human?
You can't tell. It's just a reflection.
Okay. I think that's fair.
Yeah.
Does look like Mars. I've been there.
Yep. But yeah, this this is pretty cool. It is definitely very photorealistic. Ooh, 2.5 flash. Yeah, Iguana Dan is a big 2.5 flash guy.
Yeah, flash is really good.
Yeah. All right, let's just see like an anime and see what happens.
So what did you just...
That's really cool. So when I changed the style, it actually came up with its own prompt for me. Mm-hmm. And what I really like about that is I like that ChatGPT is giving these example prompts. And then you can start studying what works.
Yeah.
Like what's behind the maker's mind to be able to get your own good prompts.
Yeah, so one of the big YouTubers, I forgot her name, but she interviewed Sam Altman, and one of the questions she asked him is, how do people tell what's real and what's fake anymore? And that's where I stopped listening.
Yeah.
But like she asked him, are you concerned like our kids are gonna grow up with things that are fake, but then they really liking it, right? So one example that she used is there's this bunny jumping on the springboard, and that got a lot of views, and it looks really realistic. So it's as if, that could actually happen. Like you get a group of bunnies, and they will voluntarily jump on the thing.
Yeah. Interesting. All right, but see, the Pro. So that's one In my mind, a disadvantage of the Pro is that it just seems to take forever. I don't know if it actually provides a much better response or not, but certainly it takes a lot longer. Okay, here we go. All right, it looks like the Italian game is going much better now.
Yeah, because you're using Pro.
No, I'm not. I went back to the other one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe it likes Italian.
Yeah, maybe it prefers Italian over French. But this looks like it's definitely much more advanced. It hasn't gotten shut down yet. I really hope that we get a chance to show this because it's extremely cool.
Yeah, so going back to social media, all these people I follow are poo-pooing ChatGPT5, and then they're like making up these very simple math tasks and demonstrating a screenshot of, oh, GPT-5 got it wrong again. Now, I don't know, like I guess maybe that's what gets the clicks. I'm just gonna, think the best for them, and they're just posting this, trying to get views and clicks, and they don't actually believe that the whole point is to have this AI LLM model that makes no mistake, because the point is at any given time ChatGPT5 is going to be better than any human in a holistic sense because they're expert at everything, right?
Yeah.
And you can find things that they make a mistake on, but
I mean, yeah, like just sorry to cut you off, but just look at that. Like this would take me years to have done just because I don't know anything about coding.
Or Italian.
Yeah, I don't know anything about coding or Italian.
Yeah, you've been speaking Italian for years, and your vocabulary stopped at Babala Biba, whatever that means.
No, and I only know Tron as well. Whenever we have thunder out there.
Trana.
Yeah, look, it's still cooking away. And they're even giving you, look at this, they're like giving you little like rewards if you get a streak. If you get like 5 in a row, you get like a fire emoji.
Yeah, so it wasn't working well with the French, but this is more like it.
Exactly. And so it's just like a lot of times there's so many hurdles to learning because we're just, it's not fun or we're not interested. But if you can actually generate your own style of learning, then that might really help you, right? Because it's like when people are teaching you something, you're learning from what works for them. But here you can actually customize your own environment to help you learn something.
That is the example that Sam Altman made. Like he used ChatGPT5 to like add a feature of a childhood game that he really enjoyed.
Yes.
That's something he said.
Okay, here we go. They built a self-contained learning game. Hit run on the canvas to play. If you want to locally copy the file. All right, let's just see what happens. So we're going to run the code. Oh,
Ooh,
it's happening. It's happening.
Yes.
Look at that.
Amazing.
Yes.
Let's do it. Nice to meet you. Choose the correct Italian.
Yep.
I know it's not C. I'm going to try avere. Oh.
Oof.
Aqua.
Yes. Now look, we can actually listen. Listen and choose the meaning. Oh. See, I don't think we can actually, because of the microphone, we can't actually listen. But that's what's really cool is that it'll actually say it out loud for you and stuff like that.
Let's go back to multiple choice.
Yes.
I know it's not grazie.
Today.
Bere.
Damn, I really don't know anything about Italian.
9.
9. Bravissimo. 4.
You're speaking Spanish.
No. They're all Romance languages. They're all very similar.
Oh, great. Yeah. Go ahead. See how many you get. You get a streak of 2.
Well, I know that piccare is the...
Guess you know more Italian than you let on.
Yeah, exactly. Look at that. I'm on like a streak of a bunch now.
Sink.
See, look at my fire. Oh, and look, the hearts is the amount of lives I have. So if I get it wrong, then you lose the life.
Vino.
Anyway, so this is really cool. And then look, you can go into flashcards, tap to flip.
Tavaram.
So then, yeah, we can learn the words here. Do you speak English?
English.
And then if we had the microphones and everything, we would actually be able to hear it saying it out loud. And that's, oh, sorry, that's really neat.
Actually, I'm gonna do this.
Yeah.
Because, I've been on Lovable for months, and I didn't really make. I mean, Lovable is pretty cool. Like, you can type a prompt, you make a simple app, but I think for the stuff I want to make, I'm gonna need this GPT-5.
Yeah, vibe coding, like this. I've never been able to get into vibe coding.
Yeah, but
until now.
it's all the vibes, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, we're gonna be vibe coding every night.
Yep. So this was something really cool, and I was very sad because I didn't have access to it. I was like telling it to give me a game, and it just would never do it. And I was like, how come I'm not seeing this run code button? So if you ever want to try it and you don't see it right away, it just hasn't been rolled out to you. Now, see, this is what happens when you do the Pro.
Oh, they want you to do stuff.
You literally have to do it all yourself, right?
They even give you a downloadable thing.
Yeah. They give you like a score sheet, a slide deck.
Well, that's definitely a flaw of the Pro. Oh, actually last night I was benchmarking GPT-5 stuff.
Yeah.
I found that the thinking is better than Pro for the specific thing I was benchmarking on. So maybe the thinking will be better.
Yeah, thinking might be better for these games. But maybe the flagship is the only one that has access to the internal, to actually play the game within the system. I don't know.
Yeah, it's
Whereas
possible.
the thinking and the Pro, like they expect you to
Be pros.
Yeah, and
I
do
don't
it
think
yourself.
so.
Yeah. See, look, heck yeah. Oh, this is so cool. You can play the game. I built you a quick replayable card game and role play game. Wildlife photography with a cheeky 9-hole golf
They
side
really know
quest.
you, huh?
Yeah, so this wildlife photography is because it's customized to me, right? Mm-hmm. So wildlife vocab, golf humor and stuff like that.
Yes. They know you like your side quests.
Yeah. Ask where hole 7 is. Ciao. So actually this game might be
more
legitimate. This is
complicated,
this is like an in-person game rather than a computer game. Like you literally roll the dice for different scenarios.
Oh, so maybe you didn't specify that in your prompt.
No, I didn't. But let's just see. Like we can download these CSVs. Oh, of course. So a lot of times the files won't be found.
Safari
Yeah.
Italiano.
Yeah, I like that.
So if I play the Mambo Italiano, you think we're gonna get copyright?
Yeah, don't do it.
Whatever. I want to listen to that.
I know you do. Well, we'll play it next time. Yes. All right. Let's go back to our.
Oh my!
Uh-oh. All right. Well, this is not.
What did you do?
Well, sorry. When I created
it
anim-
lost its context.
Oh, I see. It created something completely.
What are you doing in your spare time?
No, I know. I didn't do anything. This just created it. Let's go back.
It created based on who they think you are.
No.
You've been watching anime?
No, I don't watch. I selected the anime. Let's just move on. Okay. All right. Anything else you want to explore, or you think? Oh, you want to try a thinking with a game?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's just say, like, what kind of a game you want for cannoli?
I want to play a game like guess a sheep poo. Like maybe identify a group of dogs, identify the sheep poo out of them.
Identifying. What about we just say breeds of dogs?
Just the sheep poo out of a variety breeds of dog. You ask me.
All right.
That's what I want.
Okay. That's right. This is your vibe coding.
Yeah, I bet ChatGPT can't do it.
Yeah, that would be funny.
I'm stumping the model because it can't do the sheep poo. Right, sheep poo?
Yes. Okay, they're writing a game. All right, but while this is doing it in thinking, because I just don't have any faith in thinking I feel like it's the flagship all the way for the games and the code. Because that's like where it's, you know, it's built into that.
So cannolis, the top of the head of cannoli smells like her urine. You think she rubbed her head in the pee pad?
Why are you saying this about cannoli? This is not something to say about cannoli on air.
I think she did.
Don't worry, I accept you. Okay, all right, so look at this. The cannoli game is going.
Find the sheep poo.
Yes.
React game. Is that what react means?
What do you mean?
Oh, you know, I think if we just put this, I think this game is really niche.
Mm-hmm.
But I bet we can make money off of this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we got to figure out. All right, para inglés.
Yeah, we can make it more complicated, like add more features, right? You can select the specific breed you want to find.
Yeah, exactly. All right, here is this. So it's still working it out with the thinking. Doing a lot of thinking, but not showing any coding. Like, let's see what it's thinking about. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, see, we have to, that's the difference. When you don't have the fancy run code mode, you have to do it all yourself. Mm. But I like this. Sorry, that's not the sheep poo. Better luck next time. And see, like, if you want, I can turn this into a clickable image-based game.
Yes.
Yes, please do that. All right, in the meantime, it's still working away here. And that's what's nice. You can have multiple different windows open. You can have it working away at different things. And then, or you can just set it up and then go about your business, you know, go about your business. That's what's nice about some of these longer. Because before, you know, if it gives you a response in 30 seconds or 10 seconds, you have to sit there the whole time. And you're going to get your response, you're going to have your conversation. But with these sort of longer things, you can just let it do its thing, and then you can be multitasking. Clickable dog game. But I really like the, okay, here we go, let's see. All right, here we go, we're running the game.
Find the sheep poo.
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, there's more.
It's like bears and what is that? Swarmed by bees?
This is hilarious.
Hey guys,
that's like a hippo.
We need help. Which one's sheep poo? Use the hint button.
Yeah, let's get a hint. We have 3 hints. Okay. That's all right. I was gonna go with. Oh no.
Look what you did.
I'm sorry. I was gonna go with.
Play again. Play again.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Go with that one.
Again?
Yes. Go with that one again.
Oh, that looks like a pig.
And this one. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, lower right.
This is definitely an interesting game. It can be
scroll up.
Tweaked a little. Up. I know. I'm trying to expand it.
The time limit right now. There it is. It's like Batman sheep poo.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Now it's starting to get a little complicated.
There's sheep poo.
Yes. Spot the sheep poo.
There's sheep poo.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
There's sheep poo.
I just want to look at all these other things. Look, this is like a rhinoceros. It's kind of fun. I mean, I think we could play with it to vary it a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I think we should probably, like, if we actually want to commercialize it, we need license-free sheep poo photos.
Well, yeah, so let's go see how the thinking one is doing. Oh, all right. Oh, look, it's actually it's going to allow it. Even in thinking. See? Mm-hmm.
Time's
All
up.
right, but that was our final score. That's pretty good. We got to level 13. Yeah, the clock is ticking. That's funny. But see, they know about cannoli. You didn't say black and white, right?
No, just sheepoo.
Yeah.
So for all they know, this is sheepoo.
They know.
You're the only sheepoo. Maybe we finally will get to make money off of cannoli after all, you know?
Yeah, we will.
She'll be able to pay for her own food, treats.
Hey, there's another ad. All right, let's run the code. Wow, look at this. Sorry,
Find the sheepoo. Well, this is so stupid. Lower left.
They actually told you?
Yes.
Oh, you know, this is that exact thing where everything becomes like a golden retriever, right?
Yeah.
Because look, the poodle actually looks really good. But everything else is merged into the same thing.
Oh, you found the sheepoo.
We found
Oh my
it.
God.
We did it.
JBCB said, now we know what our IT guys are really doing.
Yeah, exactly. Well, fortunately for them, they, you know, obviously there's still a lot of shortcomings here. But this is pretty hilarious.
Yes.
Hey, in honor of Stuart here, the Burmese.
I wonder if we can still use this game, just put it on the App Store and put some ads on it, and some people will be like bored enough to play this.
Oh, let's look for puppies. Oh, it's all the same. Oh, a Maltese.
All right, let's increase the difficulty.
Oh. Oh, I see. So
Let's do.
show dogs.
Everything still looks the same.
I can't believe it. It's exactly what that Nature
article,
paper
yes.
said. And they use dogs.
The time sync said IT
Yeah.
guys gamers.
Exactly. So anyway, this was a lot of fun, and like we plan to keep exploring it, and hope you guys give us a try as well. Make some games.
I think that Italian game is a win.
Yeah, this one was the best.
But also, there's a lot. It's not a unique game, so maybe they have a lot of training data on this.
Well, they do, and this is what they did in their live stream. That's why I know to do it. So it's like this is like their most established game. They showed this to the world, and so that's why.
Yeah.
And so it's just. But the point is, we can tweak it and then everything, and they ask you for suggestions. How do you want to change it up? And so it's really cool. All right, well, thanks so much, guys, for stopping by. This was a lot of fun. And we'll certainly do this again. And let us know in the comments at some point if you guys, what else you're experimenting with. I've heard a lot about Gemini. We have to test out Gemini again. I haven't played with it too much. I've been too into the ChatGPT. But that's, like I said, with Gemini, it's all, if I really want an answer, I go there and I get my answer.
Yeah.
But if I want to have fun, I've been finding ChatGPT is a good place.
Yeah, I still get my opinions checked with Gemini.
Yeah, exactly. It's definitely the most reliable.
Thank you, guys.
All right, thanks so much, and we'll see you guys next week. Maybe
Yeah.
there'll be some new thing to test out.
Oh yeah, we still need to make more live stream about cannoli and our fall mugs.
Yes. Yes, Gemini is great. All right, let's see. But we should have learned how to say goodbye. Ciao.
Ciao.
Oh, wow. Sorry about that.